to my lecturer, Mr. Dr. Andes Budiantoro MA, and now my friend was watching my video. My explanation in English for purpose, may we always be given unlimited blessings, even in this pandemic condition, may we always be given the blessings of health. Before I explain about my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Selvi Herlina from the Faculty of Economics and Business, majoring in Management, Universitas Persada Indonesia, YAI. In my presentation this time, to fulfill my midterm exam, allow me to discuss some topics A and B. Topic A, where I will discuss some important points from the 3 modules source that I choose and I are relevant in my lecture or my work. 1. With the topic motivation, search for module 1. 2. With the topic interpreting, describing, table, and graph, search from module 3. And 3. With the topic respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights. Respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights of each person. Search from module 7. And the topic B, I will discuss some important words from 1. Motivation, 2. Innocence, 3. Personality, 4. Research, 5. Reading, 6. Graph, 7. Table, 8. Journal, 9. Travel, and 10. Medical clearance. One, with the topic motivation, search for module 1, working where the grass is always greener. According to the topic that I bring, I am always happy in carrying out the work that I am currently living. Who am I? I will tell you a little about my life history. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Selvi Herlina, born on March 25, 1999. I am now 22 years old. In junior high school, I and my organizational team won first place in Paskibra competition. In senior high school, my team and I won third place in the marching band competition. Currently, I work at PT Fajar Mitra Indah as assistant head of store for 2 years and had worked at PT Sumber Alvaria Trijaya Tbk for 2 years. How to be a successful people with who am I? By working hard, of course, tirelessly and in despair, and continue to achieve the best. As you know, Professor Dr. Chairul Tanjung, MBA, is a businessman from Indonesia. His name is widely known as a successful entrepreneur who led Citicorp. Do not rule out me, or you can be successful like him or even more than him. The advantage, as I said, is that you can continue to motivate you, that success can be achieved anytime and everywhere. As long as you want to keep trying harder and never give up. And the disadvantage, sometimes I feel dissatisfied with what I have achievement. And I'm always afraid of what if I fail, and I don't want to disappoint people in my environment for the failures that I do. Different or similar in daily life, maybe what I say has similarities in everyday life and can be different if you can fight the fear of failure with unlimited enthusiasm and effort. In conclusion, there is no limit to work. You and I can reach it and want to go through a process that might not be easy. 2. With the topic interpreting, describing, table, and graph, search for module 3. As you know, the activities that I run on a regular basis right now are studying and working, which here as we'll discuss about tables and graph. Their tables and graph have a very important function to help and facilitate my study and work. The function of table and graphs in my lecture, for example, when I do a math assessment, there are commands to create graph and others. The function of table and graph in my work, for example, are when I create a table of attendance schedule, order list, job divisions, are graphs in the recap of making sales report that I make every month. 3. With the topic respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights, respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights of each person, search for Module 7. Cultural diversity is appreciating and appreciating cultural diversity in a society. In my college and work world, respecting cultural diversity is an important key in my social relationship with college friends or coworkers. We must have proper knowledge and understanding of cultures that are not our own, which is why it's necessary to bring peace, harmony, and love in society. Culture is the lens we use to evaluate everything around us. So, whether in college or the world of work, if we immerse ourselves in a diverse culture, we get the opportunity to interact and mingle with people from different backgrounds and learn from each other. We can build trust, love, respect, and understanding across cultures, thereby eliminating all negative stereotypes and personal biases about different groups. Interacting with diverse peers directly benefit us, especially myself, in expanding knowledge about their different work, belief, practice, and moreover, making us better individuals, thinkers, and citizens. Cultural shapes our identity and influence our behavior, and cultural diversity makes us accept, integrate, as assimilate with other cultures. Cultural diversity is very important in today's world. Diversity is not only important for adults, but children must also be taught to accept and appreciate different cultures by their parents. Parents are teachers because today's children will become future leaders. B. Um, English, what it is. One, motivation. Etymologically, the word motivation comes from English, namely motivation, which means inner power or past. So that the notion of motivation is everything that encourages or moves someone to act to do something in a certain way. Motivation can come with from within yourself or from other people. With motivation, someone can do something enthusiastically. Number two, innocent. There are six meanings of the word innocent in Indonesian translation English dictionary, which fall into the adjective and noun cases. A. Adjective atau kata sifat. Innocent yang artinya tidak berdosa. The innocent adalah yang tidak bersalah. Which does not harm, yang tidak merugikan. Pur murni, clean bersih. Jadi adjektiva ini adalah kata sifat berbeda dengan noun yang sifatnya menunjukkan ke benda. Contohnya, innocent baby, bayi yang tidak berdosa. Conclusion, according the Indonesian Translated English Dictionary, the meaning of the word innocent is not sinning. Other definition of innocent is innocent. Number three, personality. The term personality comes from the Latin word persona, which means max or max, which is a phrase conferring that is often used by stage performers, which means to describe a person's behavior, character, or personality. For the Romans, persona means how one looks to another. For research, Research is an activity that includes collecting, processing, analyzing, presenting data which is carried out systematically and objectively with the aim of solving problems. 5. Reading. Reading is a process that I carried out and used by readers to get the message the author wants to convey through medium of words or written language. 6. Graph. A graph is collection of data from several tables and that are presented or displayed in the form of image, such as squares, circles, tabs, triangles, blocks, cones, and others. Graphics are also commonly interpreted as a framework or image that I use to create visualization object from the data in the table with the aim of providing information about the data from the presenter of the material to the receipt of the material. 7. Table. A table is collection of data organized by rows and columns. These rows and columns serve to show data related to both where the meeting point between the row and column in the data in question. 8. Journal. Reading journal is a journal that presents detailed information and reading activities carried out, either in the form of books or others. 9. Travel. Traveling in Indonesia is moving from one place to another. There are many reasons behind someone doing traveling activities such as business needs, vacation, or other purpose. 10. Medical clearance. Prior to embarking on a journey, it is a traveler individual's responsibility to obtain the necessary medical clearance with healthcare management, using a medical license to guarantee medical device to in vitro diagnosis, medical device, and PKRT or household health supplies that meet the standards and or requirement for safety, quality, and usability. Conclusion on what I presented in my midterm exam video this time, every material in the module that I get, as well as the role of English for everything, is very related to the application of my daily life, whether in the college or at work. Starting from how we motivate ourselves to success, then using tables and paragraphs in daily text, then how to load a journal, the benefit of travel for holidays, and how to respect other people's cultures without discriminating against ethnicity and race. And I hope my test scores can get satisfactory results. Thanks for your attention. Maybe so many presentation from me that I can convey in connection with my midterm exam. If only Mr. Budiantoro and my friend was watched my video presentation, could understand and appreciate the important points that I conveyed. More or less, I apologize. May we always be in the protection of God. Thank you for watching.